Welcome to Finbyz Tech. Are you still using an outdated ERP system? It's time for an upgrade. In this video we are introducing Cloud ERP, the ultimate solution to modernize your business operations. In today's fast-paced business world, traditional ERP systems can hold you back. With Cloud ERP, you can say goodbye to outdated technology and embrace the power of the cloud. This game-changing cloud-based ERP system offers numerous advantages. First, scalability. Cloud ERP allows your business to grow and adapt seamlessly, accommodating increased data and user demands. Second, accessibility. With Cloud ERP, you can access your business data anytime, anywhere, from any device. And third, real-time data. Cloud ERP provides up-to-date information, enabling better decision-making and improved efficiency. But that's not all. Cloud ERP offers a host of other benefits. You'll experience cost savings as you eliminate the need for expensive hardware and maintenance. You'll enjoy enhanced security measures, ensuring your valuable data is protected. And you'll appreciate seamless updates, as Cloud ERP handles all software upgrades automatically. So, don't let your outdated ERP system hold you back. Upgrade to Cloud ERP with Finbyz Tech and unlock the full potential of your business.